Today I'm going to show you how to change the headlight assemblies on a 2007 through 2010 Hyundai Elantra. Now there will be a link in the description for the headlight assemblies that I'm using. I can't speak to the quality of them, but we're going to go ahead and jump into this install. So it looks pretty straightforward. We got a 10mm bolt here, 10mm bolt here, and this plug right here is for the whole assembly. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these two 10mm bolts out, and we'll see if there's anything else holding us up. Well, that was pretty easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the other side out. So obviously this one's already broken, and this is the reason I'm changing the headlight bulbs. I'm gonna go ahead and unhook this plug back here. There's plenty of room back here. I'm gonna go ahead and set up a table, get the new ones, and see what kind of assembly we need to do. Well, I'm actually surprised. It actually comes with the bulbs already. So I just plug this in and screw it down and then adjust the light. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the other one. Yep, this one comes with all the bulbs too. All right, well, let's get the new ones installed. We're back at the car. I gotta get this plastic off. Sometimes this stuff is no fun to take off, sometimes it's not bad. This one wasn't bad. You can see right here is a tab, and right here is a tab. These are locating tabs that are on, those are locating tabs that these will seat into. So we just want to make sure that those get seated as this goes in. So back right here is where that tab seats here, and then the other one, well, the other one I don't know if you'll be able to see, but the other one's locked in also. So all right, we'll go ahead and plug this in. We'll get the bolts back in. Right, there's that one. Let's move to the driver's side. Same with this, we're going to peel the plastic off. There's also a tab right here that goes into the fender right here. Alright, so we got both headlights in. We'll go ahead and turn them on, make sure they work. I think I'll try plugging the driver's side one in. Alright, now that these headlights are installed, we're going to go ahead and adjust them. This is for reference only. I'm not actually going to be aiming these perfectly. I am going to try and get this one down. If we look inside here, you can see a gap, and this is tilted back. I can tell just by looking at it down through there. And so we're going to go ahead and at least try to get this one matched up with the other side. But I just want to show you the adjusters are right here. There's one here, and then on this side there's one here. So that's what I'm going to be using to adjust these. I don't know if you can't really tell, but if you look at the garage door, we're probably 8 inches. I don't know, you can maybe see. That these aren't level. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and adjust this one. Get the right size socket. Looks like a 12 millimeter. Okay, so tightening raises it. Okay, like I said, this was for reference only. We're way too close to the door. You should be 20 to 25 feet away from the surface that you're using to do the leveling. But I just wanted to get this where I can take it out on the road and see what it looks like. That's how you adjust the headlights. Alright, well that's the installation on the Headlight Assemblies for a 2007 to 2010 Hyundai Elantra. Like I said in the beginning, I'll have the link to these headlights in the description below. If you have any questions, put them in the comments, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully it was helpful. If it was, give me a thumbs up or just let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.